People with a charismatic aura can effortlessly draw attention through their body language alone and become the center of attention upon entering a room. In conversations, their compelling presence can enchant an audience, fostering a deep sense of trust and empathy from others. Those who radiate charisma easily inspire us to embrace their ideas, persuading us to adopt their viewpoints. Those blessed with this captivating quality generally find smoother paths in both their careers and personal lives. They seem to possess an emotional key that unlocks favorable outcomes, such as better job positions, higher salaries, more attractive offers, and richer social connections. Individuals with charisma exhibit certain traits that contribute to their strong presence. Many of these traits, including uniqueness, authenticity, confidence, and the ability to inspire, can be developed. It's likely that famous charismatic figures possess both innate qualities and have also worked extensively with coaches on their personal development. To discover which specific traits can improve your presence and genuine charisma, you can look into charisma factors. Many of these can be learned or enhanced. Charismatic individuals have a magnetic pull that captivates and inspires us. We often admire their unique charm and wish we could emulate their enchanting presence. But can charisma be cultivated, or is it simply a gift at birth? Here, you'll find 10 practical tips for enhancing your own charisma on a daily basis. Charisma training tip 1: smile. Charismatic individuals often smile, which makes them appear more likable as it signals a positive demeanor. A friendly smile is a crucial part of non-verbal communication and, along with body language, can open many doors for you. It is one of the key elements to an exceptional presence. However, your smile should be genuine and confident, and it must suit the context. Otherwise, it may come across as insincere, achieving the opposite effect. Charisma training tip 2: building credibility. Ensure that your actions align with your words. If you make bold statements or set rules, first check if you adhere to them yourself. Many people preach about how the world should be, but their actions tell a different story. This discrepancy can quickly make them seem unreliable, diminishing their charisma and authenticity. I appreciate people who say what they think, but I admire those even more who do what they say. Charismatic individuals are credible because they ensure their actions match their words. Charisma training tip 3: be aware of your values. Boosting your self-confidence enhances your self-assurance, leading to greater poise and authenticity. One powerful way to significantly improve your self-confidence is by becoming aware of your values. Values shape our identity and our approach to life. They are essential for achieving satisfaction because they drive our motivations. Values and motivation are inherently linked. Charismatic individuals actively live according to their values. In conversations, they consistently express what they personally consider important. They consciously act in alignment with their values, which showcases their unique personal profile and sets them apart. Charisma training tip 4: recognize your talents, strengths, and achievements. Similarly, you can boost your self-confidence by becoming aware of your abilities. Each person is endowed with unique gifts that differentiate them from others, making them distinctive through a combination of their talents. We differentiate among gifts are innate abilities. Talent is considered an above-average gift. Strengths are skills acquired over time through education, training, and experience. Charismatic individuals are acutely aware of their personal strengths and also recognize their weaknesses. However, they focus their actions on their gifts and strengths. They have learned to effectively utilize their personal talents, leading to natural success. Others benefit from their abilities, which enhances their impact and reach. Charisma training tip 5: develop your personal style and display it. Charismatic people often stand out because they have developed a unique personal style. This can manifest in various ways, initially noticeable through external appearance like clothing, hairstyle, or jewelry. While these elements might seem superficial and do not alone create charisma, they highlight the unique values of the person exuding charisma. This can range from the simple monk's robe of the Mahatma Gandhi to the flamboyant fashion of a pop icon like Elvis Presley. What they all have in common is that their outward appearance aligns with their inner values, which impresses others. There are many other styles that you can emphasize more consciously. Consider your interests and hobbies in areas like sports, music, art, politics, etc. Here, you can express your individuality, especially through your achievements and contributions. Share your experiences and uniqueness with others, without boasting. People will enjoy listening to you. Charisma Training Tip 6. Develop a clear vision and give your life purpose. Charismatic individuals communicate their vision in a clear and simple manner, thereby attracting others to their cause. This type of charisma, known as visionary charisma, hinges on a grand vision. This vision could be a political ideology or a product, like Jensen Huang with NVIDIA. Visionary charismatics excel at linking their personal identity with their vision. A key skill is articulating and marketing this vision effectively to garner followers. We don't all need to be Mark Zuckerberg, Jensen Huang, or Elon Musk to develop visionary charisma. It's sufficient to reflect on our larger life goals. A vision outlines the future reality of our lives or a business. It's crucial that your vision aligns perfectly with your values. Use your values, talents, and passions as the foundation to define your life vision. Write down your vision and visualize it. Take the time to do this, as a vision provides several benefits. It sets a direction. It aids in making decisions. It makes you efficient and effective. It motivates and energizes you. It gives your life meaning and creates joy. It helps you convince others of your idea. Charisma Training Tip 7. Harness the power of body language. Charismatic individuals effectively communicate through their body language. Our body language non-verbally conveys our inner attitudes, motivations, emotions, and values. Even without speaking, others can discern from our posture whether we appear confident or timid. For instance, an upright posture not only suggests confidence but also sincerity. You come across as particularly charismatic and persuasive when your body language reflects what you feel inside. Therefore, it's crucial to be emotionally stable and maintain a positive mindset, as these influence how you physically present yourself. Charisma Training Tip 8. Inspire others by being passionate about your ideas. Charismatic people inspire others because they are passionately enthusiastic about their own ideas. The ability to inspire and excite others is a distinctive trait of charismatic individuals. When such people talk about a particular subject, they captivate us. Often, no special rhetorical skills are needed, just pure passion for the topic. When we are truly passionate about something, our voice naturally changes, we become animated and can hardly stop talking. When you find a subject that ignites this passion in you, you demonstrate genuine enthusiasm and are likely to inspire others as well. However, if we have to discuss a topic we are not genuinely convinced about, it becomes challenging to generate enthusiasm in others. I can only inspire others if I am inspired myself. Charisma Training Tip 9. Maintain eye contact. Charismatic people often maintain eye contact longer than usual, creating an impression of honesty and establishing a special connection with others. Your eye contact has an effect similar to your body posture. It can signal authority and convey a message like, I decide where and how long I will look. I control where my gaze goes. Conversely, avoiding eye contact can signal noticeable disregard. If you can't meet someone's eyes, it might be perceived that you feel fear or rejection. Maintaining good eye contact shows confidence and engages others, making them feel valued and listened to. Charisma Training Tip 10. Create value for others. Charismatic individuals generate value for others, which helps them inspire support for their ideas. In everything we do, receiving feedback from others is crucial as it boosts our self-confidence. When our actions and behaviors provide value to others, we receive positive feedback, whether directly or indirectly. This isn't about being selfless but about contributing to society. Providing value is a key factor in success and enhances your charisma because it makes you important to others. The more people you reach and the greater the value you provide, the more your success and charisma will grow. What you give out, you will receive back in some form. Thanks for watching and see you soon.